In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Ask Google Pay inside Google Pay, and I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can check whether the feature is available on your account. Now, one important thing to know right away is that I'm not able to fully show this on a phone screen because it can involve sensitive information, and this feature is currently only available to a limited number of users, so if you don't see it yet, that usually means it has not rolled out to your account. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple app tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Google Pay app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the main home screen, look for the Money section. This is where Google is rolling out the Ask Google Pay experience for eligible users. Tap on Money and take a careful look at the options that appear. If the feature has been enabled for your account, you should see Ask Google Pay, prompts or related suggestions inside this area. Google may show you a few preset questions you can tap right away, or you may see an option that says, Ask a question. If you see the preset prompts, just tap one of them to continue. That will let Google Pay respond based on the question you selected. If you want to type your own question instead, tap Ask a question and enter your prompt manually. This is the part that lets you search or ask for help in a more natural way inside the app. After you type your question, submit it and wait for Google Pay to process the request. Depending on the rollout and your account, the results may appear differently, but the basic flow is the same. Go to Google Pay, open Money, and then check whether Ask Google Pay is visible. If it is, you can use the quick prompts or type your own question from there. If you do not see the feature, that does not necessarily mean you're doing anything wrong. Since this is currently limited to certain users, it may simply not be available on your account yet. In that case, you may need to wait for a wider rollout or keep your app updated so you're ready when it becomes available. One helpful tip is to make sure your Google Pay app is updated to the latest version from the App Store, because new features often appear only after an update. Also, make sure you're using the correct region and account, since availability can vary by location and account type. So to quickly recap, open Google Pay, tap Money, look for Ask Google Pay, then either choose one of the prompts or tap Ask a question to type what you want. That's the easiest way to check whether the feature has rolled out to you. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video and subscribe for more clear step-by-step app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.